Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Breville espresso machine, and we are going to go ahead and pull a shot. We replaced a bunch of O-rings in the steam boiler which were leaking, and we also replaced the fuse on the coffee boiler, and now it's working good. So let's go ahead and test the machine. That was pre-infusion. I think I put a little too much coffee in there, but you can see that it's pulling a shot, and the temperature is at 200 degrees where it needs to be. So thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.